Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So we're going to try out this Tello drone here. All right, so first I'm going to show you guys some unboxing footage of what's inside this thing, and then we're going to get it out of the box and fly it. Alright, so here's the Tello drone, and we got the 3 batteries here. I'm going to take the first one out. Now here's the cool thing about this charger here. This is the Fly More package. And on this charger, when you plug it in and charge it, there's 3 lights that come on, and it'll start blinking on the battery that it is charging. And after that one's full, it'll stay lit, and it'll go to the next one and then next one. So it doesn't charge all 3 of them at the same time, just one at a time. All right, so the battery fits right into the drone just like this. And then you'll hear a little snap, and you know that it's in there. So it's a little drone. Look at it compared to my hand. That's about the sizing on it. So yeah, so it's a small drone. We're gonna get it put over there on the phone. Or get on the floor, and then I'm gonna get it on my phone, and we're gonna take the lift off. I also have my GoPro here, so that way I can record some footage of this. Because I will be using my phone to use the controls on the drone. Okay, so I got the drone here dead center in the gym, but on the side, there's a button you have to push right there, and then a light comes on right there. And so what you have to do is once that light is blinking or it's like connecting, you gotta jump on your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi network that comes up that says Tello, and then you're connected to the drone. Alright, so the noise on this thing isn't too bad, because a lot of these drones can be really loud, like a bunch of bees coming at you, but this one isn't too bad. The wind, yeah, you can feel the wind right here with the drone and those propellers. But, all right, so. I'm not quite sure why you really want to do that, but this is what the bounce mode does on this. Okay, here's a flip mode. So far, I mean, the battery doesn't last long on these little drones like this. I think we got about a 13-minute flight time. That's why I got the Fly More package, so that way we can fly it a little bit longer. But it's pretty fun so far, working this drone. And everything is controlled on a smartphone. There's no controller that comes with it. But the good thing about this is you know, it does keep the cost down a little bit since you don't have to buy those extra components. But I bet it would be a little bit easier if you did have a joystick controllers in order to control this thing. But yeah, you can tell by the way I'm talking here and the noise from here, whether you're able to have a conversation with somebody while this thing is flying. And so far, yeah, it's doing pretty good. I like it. 5, 4. Bam, there we go. That's the palm landing on your hand. Cool. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm here at my house in the backyard and I'm outside. We have a beautiful day here, but I'm gonna fly the drone outside for the first time and I'm gonna show you guys what kind of footage this thing can take outside. So let's see, let's just, I hope I don't get caught in a tree or stuck somewhere because that would really stink, but let's see what this thing can do. All right, so here's a drone just hovering in midair, and the wind is blowing pretty good right now, and it's holding steady, as you can see, just maintaining its pressure right there in midair. But it's doing pretty good, even with a little bit of wind blowing. There was notifications coming up on the device saying, you know, that it couldn't do certain things because of the high winds. But it does pretty well just sitting there hovering midair. Okay, so here's the drone flying in midair as high as it can, just hovering with the wind blowing it. But that's pretty high up there. Okay, so the first battery is now dying. It's coming to an end. So we got probably about 13 minutes. That's what they advertised it as. That's probably about what we got on this. One thing I did notice as it started to get toward the lower part of the battery, you would see it kind of wiggling like that a little bit, instead of having that nice smooth drone footage that I was taking. So when your battery starts to get a little bit low, your footage may not look as good because it will start to wiggle. There was a notification, a warning notification that come on the screen that says land a drone soon because your battery is low. So that's nice that it does do that and give you a little bit of warning. Another thing is on the bottom here, there are some sensors. So when I did go to land a drone and I had it full blast going down, it didn't like slam down on the ground. It actually stopped and then hesitated and then it went down. So that's kind of nice also. So that way it protects the blades and protects this thing from crashing. So when you pay a lot of money for these things, you want it to last a little while. So they do put some good technology in these to make them fun.